Welcome back to our garden series where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about the Dune Sunflower. The Dune Sunflower is a native plant to the sandy coasts and dunes of the southeastern United States. It is a hardy and adaptable plant that has been used in coastal restoration projects to help stabilize sand dunes and prevent erosion. The Dune Sunflower is a low-growing perennial plant that typically reaches heights of 1 to 2 feet. It has hairy stems and narrow lance-shaped leaves that are about 3 inches long. The plant produces bright yellow flowers with dark centers and blooms from late spring to early fall. The Dune Sunflower is a tough and hardy plant that thrives in sandy, well-drained soil and full sun. It is drought tolerant and can withstand high winds and salt spray, making it an ideal plant for coastal gardens and landscapes. The plant can be propagated from seed or by division of the root ball. Dune Sunflower is a great companion plant for other coastal species such as sea oats and beach daisy. It can also be used in rock gardens or planted en masse for a naturalized look. Dune Sunflower is primarily used for coastal restoration and erosion control projects. It also has excellent choice for beach and coastal gardens, as well as xeriscapes and other low-maintenance landscapes. The plant is attractive to bees and butterflies, making it a valuable addition to pollinator gardens. Additionally, the seeds of Dune Sunflower are edible and can be roasted and eaten like sunflower seeds.